Is the Cisco Webex app not opening on your computer or mobile device? Whether the app won't launch, crashes immediately, or gets stuck before loading, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Cisco Webex app not opening in 2026. First, restart your computer or mobile device. A simple restart can clear temporary system issues that may be preventing Cisco Webex from launching properly. Once your device starts again, make sure you have a stable internet connection. While Webex should still open offline, certain startup processes may require network access to complete successfully. If Webex appears to be running in the background, completely close it using Task Manager on Windows or Force Quit on macOS. Once it's fully closed, try launching the app again. Now check whether you're using the latest version of Cisco Webex. Older versions can sometimes stop working correctly after system or security updates, so installing the latest release may resolve the issue. If the app still won't open, temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that's blocking Webex, then try launching the app again. Remember to turn your security software back on after testing. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, uninstall Cisco Webex completely and install a fresh copy from the official website. Reinstalling replaces damaged or missing application files and often fixes startup problems. And that's how to fix the Cisco Webex app not opening in 2026. In most cases, restarting your device, updating the app, or performing a clean reinstall will get Webex working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.